I'm going to unbox another affordable smart Bluetooth audio sunglass. This device is designed for those who do cycling, but of course it depends upon how suits in you. The sticker is written Model F9, but in the box the model written was 368. So, which is true? Let's find out. By the way, I purchased this on Aliexpress online shopping app for €7. If you cart this item, then take a look at this video, so you will have an idea about this device. So inside of it is this hard shell case. And if you use to travel, then you may attach this to your backpack so that it is easy to keep if you don't want to use it. Inside this hard shell case is the microfiber cleaning cloth. Then the sunglass itself, but let's put on the side first and take this normal micro USB charging cable. Then the manual with English and Chinese translation. And finally, the sunglass itself, in a yellow color plastic eye protector. The entire body is made of plastic. For me, the quality of the product is on average, well considering the price. So you can adjust the length of this earpiece depending on your ears. Well, for me, this is great because wearing those Bluetooth headsets separately, sometimes we tend to forget, not knowingly it will fall out, tendency we might lose it. And this is the charging port. On this side are the buttons. And for answering calls, don't try to press any on this button, it's useless. I've tried many times, but it's nothing. You need to accept in your phone, but you can answer in this device. The blue and red light is blinking means it is not connected to Bluetooth. And when it is connected, the light is no longer present. Here's the sample how loud the earphones is.
To protect your things while you're outside. I bought this through an online shopping app, and since they are giving a very friendly prices and discount, then I must purchase it. And if it happens you cart this, then please do watch this video, as I will be teaching you how to connect this to your smartphone. This is a cloud storage intelligence camera, so it is connected through Wi-Fi, and you can access directly to your smartphone whenever and wherever you can monitor it, in the areas that you want to have access if you are away. Later I will show to you how to connect the device to your smartphone.
I don't have any issue with regards to Bluetooth and the clarity of the sound. Even I'm on my e-bike listening to music or answering call is okay. Only if it is too windy, then you may have difficulty in hearing on it. If you're listening to music, do long press the arrow sign next or previous button to increases or decreases the volume. And by the way, in my test continuous listening to music, it takes 2 hours before it run out of battery. So I assume if just answering call, then it may take longer hours. Well, that is great considering the price. And if it run out of battery, you will hear notifications sound and the red light is flashing. So now it's time to check how much battery capacity has. And if my battery test is wrong, you may comment below. Your opinion is highly important. The red light indicator appears means it is charging. One thing I've noticed that the only thing that holds this yellow fiberglass, I may say, or plastic, is the center part. As you can see, it is fragile, more force can break it. And now the battery is full. As you can see, the light indicator turn into blue. And my reading test only 47 mAh battery capacity has. I tested twice because I am confused. But both reading was the same. In the box it says it has 300 mAh battery capacity. Does my test is wrong? Please comment below. And mind you guys that 47 mAh battery capacity is the same battery you can find per Bluetooth earbuds can find in the market. And that will take 2 hours continue using before you need to charge again. And that's it. If reached till the end, thank you for watching.